Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you an exercise that will help you expand your vocabulary. So the goal of this exercise is to play all the notes of your walking bass line within one octave range. In this case, between low C and high C. Between this range you got all the 12 chromatic notes. So by doing this exercise, you're going to think forward and tend not to play the same pattern, because if you just play the same pattern, you will exceed the range. This is the bass line I came up for the tune Blues for Alice, Charlie Parker tune Blues for Alice. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also practice changing the range of your bass line, for example, between low F here and F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try between F here and F here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. You can download the sheet music for this exercise on my website. I will put a link in the description. I also have a play-along track for Blues for Alice on my channel. There will also be a link in the description for that. Thanks, and I will see you next week. Bye.